Hello friends! As the heating season approaches with its winter frost, we all want the cold to stay outside the window, while our home greets us with warmth and coziness. That's why each of us thinks about the best way to insulate our home. Let's talk about the thermal insulation materials. They create you comfort and make life more pleasant. Today, we will discuss a new generation of insulation. TSM Ceramic, produced right here in our production line. At the end of the last century, ultra-thin and lightweight thermal insulation materials appeared on the market. They help retain heat and keep the cold out while saving space. Some of the first examples of smart insulation were Gore-Tex materials in Eco Footwear and Omni-Heat in Colombia. But today isn't about them. Today I want to tell you about the insulation material TSM Ceramic. Our smart insulation helps retain heat and protects structures from condensation, freezing and corrosion. In addition, TSM Ceramic prevents the appearance of mold and mildew. And in our climate, we constantly see these issues in our homes and work and even in transport. You are probably wondering what makes TSM Ceramic so effective and how does it work? Let's figure it out. The material is based on ceramic microspheres. They serve as the barrier between the internal and external environment of the coated surface. These microspheres are preventing cold from penetrating from the street and keep heat inside the room. The base of the material is latex paint. We have told you all about the material. So what are its advantages? The advantages of TSM Ceramic, the ease of application. You can apply it yourself to bricks, wood, concrete, any type of concrete, textile, metal, or absolutely any surfaces except glass. How to prepare metal surfaces for applying TSM Ceramic? Remove corrosion spots, clean off any dirt, apply primer to the metal. For any other surfaces, clean off any dirt, apply primer using a regular paintbrush. But for large surfaces, it's more convenient to use an airless compressor. Plus, it reduces work time and, most importantly, saves you up to 40% on energy bills from the first day after application. How do we know this? This material has been used in Europe for over 15 years. It insulates walls both inside and outside, as well as the floors, ceilings, roofs, pipes, and any other structure. Whatever needs protection and insulation, TSM Ceramic protects and insulates. In addition to thermal insulation, you get complex protection from external factors: water, corrosion, UV rays, aggressive environments, bioparasites, and any other everyday issues. The insulation not only retains heat, but also prevents the room from overheating during hot summer periods by reflecting sunlight. You get warmth in winter and coolness in summer. The energy efficiency of TSM Ceramic products is many times higher, and their service life exceeds 30 years. Compared to traditional insulation materials. TSM Ceramic is fire safety, eco-friendly and thermal resistant. After application, it has a pleasant aesthetic appearance, so no additional finishing materials are needed. TSM Ceramic can be tinted to any color. With TSM Ceramic, you save time, money, space and energy for living. Make your home warm and cozy today.